how to download YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you download YouTube videos. So let's get started. First, as you have to open YouTube application with your account. After you open YouTube, from there you'll have to just open any music video whom you want to download. Simply open any videos. After you open videos, you can simply get the option for download. Simply tap on that. After you tap on that, you can simply choose the download quality like medium low or for the full HD or high. Like for that, you must have the premium. Simply select one download quality and tap on download at the bottom right. And that's it. This is the method to download videos from YouTube. You can simply view it from your download section. As usual, you can play it by offline opening your YouTube application. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.